The bicycle has two wheels. One wheel in the front, the other one behind. Of these two wheels, which of them is more important? The one in the front is one to which the direction is attached. The one behind is one to which the pedal is attached. It gives movement to the bicycle. Which of them is more important? Can anybody tell me? The one in the front is more important than the one in the back. Which of them is the man? Which of them is the woman? The one behind is the woman. The one in the front is the man. So which of them is more important? There's not like both are more important. Which of them can do without the other? Which of them can do without the other one? None of them can do without the other one. If it's the lady that's behind, she's got to learn to stay where she is. If it's the man that's in the front, let him learn to stay there and let each one respect each one. They must move in synchrony with one another, else there will be friction. They must work together if the bicycle must move forward. This is how relationships work. Let one not overtake the other. Let one not be jealous of the other. Let one not look down on the other.
A whisper of peace, moving through the land. Allah.